Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, rolls, milling machines, lathes, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice roll. This is a 12-foot by quarter-inch Roundo roll. It's a 3-roll machine, pyramid style. Very, very simple to use. You've got your emergency stops. You got your drop end, which is going to allow you to slide your material out. I'll show you everything working here. Forward, reverse. We're raising our rear roll. This will give you your angle of adjustment. You can see the indicator there in the yellow, telling you what angle you're going to be at. We go to our front roll now. Again, you have your indicators. This will set your pinch. The back roll is going to give you your different angles. As you can see, it's a really nice running roll. Come take a look at it. Take a look at the pictures. You can see in the back there's a brand new roll that comes with it. So you see there is some scoring here on the rolls, but there's a brand new top roll if you wanted to replace it, if that's going to bother you depending on what material you're using. Give us a call if you have any questions. Love to help you out, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Thanks, man. Check it out.
Check it out.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.